everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at XRP here, and as we can see, still looking like it is coiling up in between this previous support, the previous resistance here flipped into support, and still stuck under that bear market resistance here. You can see 1, 2, 3 touches of this bear market resistance, looking like we are consolidating here in between that and that previous swing high. As we can see here, we come up, resistance, support, support, and then resistance again, looking like we are essentially coiling up here in between these two levels of structure. We've come back down here and retested that previous swing high resistance as support multiple times, along with the EMAs here. The EMAs flip bullish back here as well, which is good to see. Looking like we're holding the 55 as a good support, which is nice to see. We come up here, that big move to the upside here, where we come up, we test that resistance, but we do get rejected again. Currently coming back down and retesting the 20 EMA here, along with that previous swing high in this area here that we had on that recent move. A lot of people are saying there's a crash in the cryptocurrency space right now, but all we're seeing here is a healthy retracement. We're just making our way through the Fibonacci, let's be honest, and these key levels of support and resistance in the market. You can see here for XRP, we've actually come up. We've been in our range here for a little while, where we had the high, retest the low and the low, but we actually came up, made a higher high here and potentially a higher low. And if we do break out here, we could start seeing some nice bullish market structure for XRP, which would be great to see, obviously. And it's pretty interesting to see as well that we have actually fully got a nice flip of our EMAs here, which the last time that we had, a proper flip of the EMAs was all the way back in this area here, up at around $1. So interesting to see where XRP is going to go next. We do think it is going to do very well going into the future. This, in our opinion, this crypto could easily be well over $10, maybe even closer to $50 or $100 in the next 5 or 10 years, depending on the adoption curve that it does see for its actual use case, etc. But for now, looking like, it's just doing what it needs to do, isn't it? Just coiling up, waiting for its time to shine. If we do see ourselves breaking to the upside here, we'll probably be heading up towards that 55-cent level there at that swing high. And obviously, if we're heading down, we're probably going to backtest the previous resistance as support again at around 45 cents. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.